Are you tired of working harder just to stay afloat? Or are you looking for a better way to build a stable monthly income? You are in the right place. Hi, I'm Lynette Barnard. I'm from Van der Bijlpark, and I help entrepreneurs, professionals, business owners, and everyone who needs a recurring income so that they can live a debt-free, stress-free life and can start working on their bucket lists. Today, I'll show you how wealth engineers create monthly recurring income without selling, recruiting, or chasing people. This is real, repeatable income that works in the background. Stick around to the end because I'll also share a free guide that helped me to break free from the 9-to-5 cycle. Now, the first thing is, what is a wealth engineer? Let's start at the beginning. A wealth engineer uses a fully licensed system called DealPoint. The FSP number is 50318 to build a personal distribution channel. Now, what is a distribution channel? Let's compare it to your local chain store outlets. They are not manufacturing anything. They are simply act as channels of distribution. So they are selling other people's products. If you want your product to be sold, you make a deal with the head office and they places their products in their outlets. They've got the logistics and everything to take care of that. Then at the end of the month, they pay you for all the products that's sold. Now this system works similar. You're not selling any products. That means we get rewarded every month when someone keeps a financial product in place from companies like Sanlam, Old Mutual, Bright, Santam, etc. You're not selling products. You are not delivering anything. You are building a recurring income, and that changes everything. Now, secondly, how recurring income works. Here's how it exactly works. Firstly, you need to register as a wealth engineer online. You go to the website www.dealpoint.net and register. Use my wealth engineer number W100000944 if you want to capitalize on my expertise and experience of 28 years. Then secondly, you start sharing information, whether online, in conversations, or during our evening Zoom events. And thirdly, when someone registered due to your efforts and select a product, DealPoint starts paying you. Fourthly, you'll earn 55 Rand per paid product every single month for as long as the product is paid. That's monthly recurring income. You do the work once, but the income repeats. And it's not limited. The more effort you put in, the bigger your income potential becomes. Thirdly, it's real people with real results. This isn't just theory. It's working for thousands of South Africans. Tibugang, who's in my team, earned 110,000 Rand in her first year. Fiona and Shibu earned 45 and 55 Rand in bonuses each in 1 month. And Shibu joined in May 2023 and has now earned more than 360,000 Rand in cash bonuses alone, excluding a growing monthly income and a free trip to Dubai last year. Personally, I've reached rank 11, received a free car, and go on a 5-star family holiday every year. This year, we're going to the Seychelles. Nice, eh? But I also started with just one product, one conversation, the same way that you can do. The fourth way is why the system works. It works because you're sharing information, not selling products. You are using a system that's regulated, digital, and proven for more than 9 years. You don't rely on one-time commissions. you are building income that repeats. And you are helping others get access to financial protection and other products while you build freedom for your own family. And they have exactly the same opportunity to earn just as much or more than you are, depending on their own efforts. This is how we say no retirement necessary, because when your income is recurring, life looks completely different. You don't worry about retrenchment, retirement, or the escalating cost of living, even when you are retired. If you are ready to start building income that keeps on growing, even when you're not working, I've got a gift for you. Download my free guide, Escape the 9-to-5 Trap, my online business blueprint. Just comment freedom below or click the link in the description and I'll send it to you directly. Or you can send me a WhatsApp to 082 783 5661 and say freedom. I'll personally connect with you. You've got this. You already have everything you need. You just need the right vehicle. And that's why I always say, believe in yourself, because your future is not optional, it's intentional. Have a great day. Bye for now.